Hello, I'm Yubirkov, and our task for today is to create a supplier in QuickBooks program. Let's start. We have vendor details card, and we will copy here all information about our supplier. Let's click Expenses, Vendors. In this tab, we can manage vendor list. Let's create a new vendor. Click here, New Vendor button. Let's copy and paste company name, copy email, phone number, website. Let's click this icon. Oh, we can fill in address. USA, zip code, state, city, street address. Click Save. Now we inside in cart of vendors. Click Back Vendors. We can watch our vendor list. If we need to renew or edit information about vendors, click here, click vendor's name, click Edit, and we can change vendor's information. Click Save, Back Vendors. We can manage our vendor's information in Excel. Click icon with arrow, and we receive all information in Excel files. But what should we do if we want to clean up vendor list? Click here, Batch Action, Make inactive. Yes, make inactive. And our vendor disappear. And what should we do if we need information about our vendor? Click here, choose Include inactive. Let's find our vendor. Click. And click Make active. Yes, our vendor active again. Click here and in our list again just active vendors information. All done. Good luck in your job.